morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Farha Rahman,
And I, Nilay Kanjilal,
on behalf of Symbiosis Institute of Telecom Management, welcome you all to Communicate 13, Third International Telecom Seminar. Established in the year 1996, Symbiosis Institute of Telecom Management has been the pioneer in the field of telecom management in the entire SAARC region. Telecom is going places it has never been before. With each passing day, companies in the ICT industry are redefining the boundaries of their businesses, and the lines between various players of the realm are getting blurred. New technology, new business offerings, new geography expansions. The communications industry today is at a crucial juncture in its journey and is being watched the world over with immense anticipation to see how it reinvents itself to suit the changing business scenarios. SITM has always honed its students to be in step with the dynamics of the ICT industry. And to give you a glimpse of how it's done, we present the following audiovisual.
Communique began its journey as the National Telecom Seminar in 1996, and since then has magnified in scope after conducting 2 national telecom seminars, 2 Asian telecom seminars, and 2 international telecom seminars. Taking the legacy forward, SITM takes immense pride in presenting Communique 13, Third International Telecom Seminar. In this era of ubiquitous connectivity, telecom is no longer a vertical confined to traditional communication, but is bolstering its foothold in burgeoning opportunities of various domains. The achievement of omnipresence brings an important visual element to its integration capabilities. The telecom industry is leveraging existing technologies to broaden its horizon to offer innovative services with the cohesive vision of universal connectivity across the globe. The ICT industry is complementing various domains with its communication services to better suit the changing lifestyle of the masses. Telecom presence is felt in every move of human lives more than ever before.
To push the yearning limits,
To outline the unforeseen,
to untangle the coil for ubiquity.
In an attempt to awaken from the illusion of separateness, we present the theme for Communique 13, Telecom Omnipresence, Opportunities for a Connected World. The essence of Communique 13 can be best explained with the help of the following audiovisual.